How to turn off Twitter sensitive content. Hello everybody, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to turn off Twitter sensitive content easily. First of all you guys need to do is go ahead over to your Twitter account and then click from over here on the top right to the options of settings and privacy. After that, scroll all the way down until you see settings and privacy, and then all you guys need to do next is tap on privacy and safety. And after that, make sure you guys look for the safety section so you can turn the button off. So let's go ahead and click on your tweet option, and as you can see there is one option which is mark your media or your tweets as containing material that may be sensitive content. Now if you do want to enable this, you could always turn it on, but of course we want to turn it off, so make sure to turn it off, and that's pretty much it. So guys, that is how easy to turn off Twitter sensitive content. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will be much appreciated. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.